this is the Comet 20-ton punch press. This is die press. It's very handy. I'm grateful I picked it up. Actually, the guy I picked it up off of, we ended up becoming very good friends. And he's runs a press shop where he runs lots of these guys, and they do lots of work making everyday products that you would never even think of. So these machines, these little presses run little dies, and they make every little tool bit that makes life normal. Every little washer, every little piece of press metal that you can think up and of comes off one of these guys. And I got one because I need one, because I make shit. So this guy is like the LeBlond of presses. This would be like, this is nice. And then the reason why is because I can adjust the hammer stroke on this very easily. It's a cam setup. So wherever I decide to throw the cam, I pull these teeth out and I adjust the cam throw. Now I also have to go over here. This is your hammer, kind of like, the hammer on your gun, except this is holding back a centrifugal wheel in here that hammers around and drives your hammer. Just like this. Fire up. So, and the same thing if industry's kind of pushing towards these laser bullshitters that say they can make a lot of parts quick, which they can't, because I'll sing you a song from my fellow die makers, and that song goes part after part after part after part. You can't beat these things. If you buy investment tooling, these things shit out parts like nobody's business, and that's just it. So for a small shop to have one of these, it's crazy. I can't believe I have it. I'm very grateful I have this machine. It's brought me a lot of work, and it's going to do a lot more work for me.